Guys, welcome to my channel. Now we'll unbox the boAt Stone Grenade RTL. If you see there, you get a 5-watt mono speaker and it is IP/6 water and shock resistant also. And here you see you get a long lasting battery, 1200 mAh, and one time it will charge. It will work up to 7 hours with non-stop. Okay, it also support micro SD card and 3.5mm jack and in connectivity Bluetooth 5.0. You get the latest 5.0. This is the stylish design here mentioned. You see here. If you want to read, you can read. In the box it is mentioned that the price is 3990, but I will say the actual price in this video. So keep watching this video. Okay, let's unbox it. It's the main boAt Stone. It is the speaker. Okay, let's see later. What do we get along with this speaker? Audio cable 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, USB A to USB B. Documentation. Warranty card 1 year. Okay, let's see. Keep this aside. It can work with 3 things. One, Bluetooth. It is 3.5mm. You can use this to play song, and it is SD card slot. Okay, now we'll check this. Its sound. Okay, let's start it.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
Okay.
Your device is ready to pair.
The light is blinking and Bluetooth is showing. So we connect it.
You're now connected to boAt Stone.
Automatically it is connected. Let's play some song. Okay, now play song. Here we see.
Maximum volume.
It's the pause. Automatically it will pause. Okay. Let's pause. I have buy this in offline. मुझे पड़ी है 15,000, 1500, 1500. Okay. If you want to buy, I'll keep the link in the description. If you want to connect from this, you can hold and press this.
Disconnected.
It has automatically disconnected. If you want to connect, then I can hold it. You can also connect this tab.
You're now connected to boAt Stone.
Okay, it had connected. Now you can see Okay, one time it's for play. If you want to go to the next song, then press this. It will go automatically to the next song. Now, okay, now it tests the next micro SD. Okay, let's open this and bring an SD card. Okay, I'm going to bring a SD card. Okay. Okay. Post